for itself.
Don't be that complimentary. Yes, and I'm happy for that. Yeah, but yeah, the war.
For how long do you work for that?
I don't know what to do for 6 and a half years.
And no, Emeka, let me tell you the truth if you want to. Your life don't expire.
Now me, don't work for that company for 6 months. I don't bring that. Yes. So that they shoot the money. Not the only they shoot you. They don't.
Can you spell Chicago?
You get here for 6 years. You may call this place good. You may call this thing good. See on the both sides they smell. By the way, you dey press. You dey press. You know what they shoot the money.